everybody, and welcome to this video on the hyperbola. In this video, we have a look at the axis of symmetry. So what is the axis of symmetry? It's a line which divides the graph exactly into half. For the case of the hyperbola, we have two axes of symmetry. So over here, if we have a look at this diagram over here, the yellow graph is our hyperbola, the white lines are our x and y axis, and the pink lines are our axis of symmetry. Now there's always two axes of symmetry. One is y is equal to x plus c, that is our positive axis of symmetry, and our other one is y is equal to negative x plus c, and that is our negative axis of symmetry. So having a look at the positive one, if you can imagine folding the hyperbola, it would fold exactly on each other there. So it's dividing it in half in that direction. Also note that the axis of symmetry goes through the intersection of our asymptotes. So P star and Q is where our asymptotes meet, and our axis of symmetry goes through that point. For the negative asymptote, again, we can see it divides our graph in half along this axis. So that is the axis of symmetry, and it is very important to note that the hyperbola has two. So the next very important question is, how do we calculate the axis of symmetry? So we're going to use this method. We're going to substitute P star and Q. And what is P star and Q? It is the intersection of our asymptotes. So it's where our asymptotes meet, into y is equal to plus x plus c or minus x plus c, depending whether we are looking for the positive one or for the negative one. So let us have a look at an example. So the first one, we have this equation. So first let's find P star Q. So P star Q is where our intercepts, where our asymptotes meet. So we have one asymptote being at Q and P star, which means we change our sign, and the other one at Q. So the step is to substitute 2 and 4 into, let us first do y is equal to x plus c, so the positive one. So in the place of y, we're going to put 4. In the place of x, we're going to put 2, and we are solving for c. Here we have that c is then 4 minus 2, which is 2. So therefore, the equation of the 1 is y is equal to x plus 2. So that is our positive axis of symmetry for this graph over here. Let us get the negative one. So we do the same process. We substitute our 2 and 4 into, and this time here we're going to use the negative one. So y is equal to negative x plus c. So y is 4 and x now is negative 2 plus c, and solving for c, we get c is 6. So then this one here gives us y is equal to negative x plus 6. If you are uncertain about how to get the equation of a straight line, or if these steps are confusing you, please watch our straight line videos. So let us have a look at the next example. So again, first let us find P star and Q, because that's an important coordinate that we need. So it is the intercept of our asymptote. So we change the sign of x and we keep y the same. So then we're going to substitute 1 and 3, negative 3, into y is equal to x plus c. So in the place of y, we have minus 3, in the place of x, 1, and we solve for c. C is negative 4. This then gives us our graph is y is equal to x negative 4. Let's do the negative one. So we're going to substitute 1 and minus 3 into y is equal to negative x plus c. So we have minus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus c. Solving for c, we get that it's negative 2, giving us that this is y is equal to negative x minus 2. So they are our two asymptotes, axis of symmetry for this graph. So the axis of symmetry, the equation that we have is y is equal to x plus c or x minus c, and we want to solve for c. So to get c, what we're going to do is substitute the intersection of our axis of symmetry, of our asymptotes, and then we will be able to get it. Please, if you have not understood it, watch it again until you have made sense of how we get the axis of symmetry.